enough
See?
light.
Knock the camera over.
You're not helping, as usual.
Tell me which side you're gonna start on. Oh, hey, there. All right, crank her in. Got her? Oh yeah, she's there.
Tight.
Okay, go to the next one.
To the next one.
Got it held?
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like it.
Yeah, see? Tell me when.
Alright, crank her up.
She's there.
Okay. Yeah, so we're over here. Somewhere.
Now put both your nuts on, then I'll tighten it up.
There's the other one.
Yeah?
Alright, do them both. I got them.
Alright. This one's tough to get to. Can't get to that. I'll have to pass a wrench into you. Go to the one close to
I
the
got
fridge.
them both. I got them both.
Okay, here I go. Okay,
There.
let me try the other one. I got a different angle here.
Okay. You got her. Not going nowhere.
Alrighty, I got it.
Try the other one.
I did. It's done.
Okay.
We're all done. Crawl out. Whoa. Alright. Let's lay her down and see if she works. Oh yeah. It's gonna work okay.
Oh yeah, spin her around. Get her on flat ground.
Oh yeah, she's good.
Good. Now,
Now we gotta put the flue in over here. The flue goes in on the back end. Right back here. So we get the marker again and do our nonsense. Okay, marker time. Is that gonna work for the flue? Yep. Yep. Exactly. So we'll mark it after. We'll mark. Just
We'll
mark. You're just marking the holes. That's all
Yeah.
you're doing. And underneath there. Yeah, you got it. Now make sure I mark this so this goes back this way. Yeah. Well, we can pull the pin out. We can pull this right out. I know you can. It's kind of tricky, but no, leave it in. Just get the. You can do this for your outline.
well,
Can't
kind
you?
of.
As long as you're lined up on your
Well.
joints. Yeah, you're pretty good. I guess I can just guesstimate it. It'll be okay. Good time. Let's read this around here. Yeah. Okay, that'll be good enough. Made in China. Well, do your holes first. Yep. And then you can nibble and carry them. Is that hole there? Yep. You change this one to here? You said that's perfect. You're okay. Okay, now we need that hole saw for this side. Yeah, let's try it. I got it right here. Let's try your little thing just to see how we line up first. What thing? Oh, your damper. Damper. Don't lose that sucker. That's the big one. They're all good, Bob. They're all good. Yeah, all the holes line up. We're perfect. I think our circle will be okay too. Yep, probably would be. Hopefully. We'll find out. Just drill close to the edge, but not too crazy, and then nibbler. Oh, battery. Oh, you son of a bitch. Right there. Pull it out of that drill. God. Technology. Spooched. Voila. Nibbler. No, we're going to try this. Try that one? We can get this in there. Alright, well, we'll have to use this one. Yeah. I'm positive you can take your time on this one too. Well, this one can go do curves. So pretty good. Oh yeah. Pretty good. Let's try it. Oh, look at that. Professional. As long as you're recording, it is recorded. Alright, let's in there. Get your mat in again. Well, we're gonna need these first. Use up the rest of the bolts. 3, 6, 8 of them. Whack ton of them here. Yep. Ooh, that'll be tricky to get that one in. Have to do something there. Screwdriver down, maybe. How does this work? I think you gotta push the. Oh, it moves in. Well, they got it in somehow, so it's gotta come out somehow. And I'm in just enough room.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know how you're gonna get the Phillips in there, but
No,
Yeah,
you'll just have to do it with a wrench, and I'll have to hold it from
now
here.
we have some leftovers here, which
No,
normally
you need nuts. Those are nuts.
yeah, but we have a bowl.
Well, I don't know. They gave you one in case one stripped.
Yeah, it must be.
Whoops. What's your nuts?
Oh, oh. Okay, yeah, they gave us 2 extras. Perfect. Then I'll take all these under with me.
Yep.
And I'll be here screwed. Okay.
Do the back first, then we'll work from this way around, and then we'll go.
Oh, man.
Finally, the fridge will be last.
Suck. The bolts are sticking up on the bottom now
Well, what's that mean?
from the legs. So when I crawl in, they go into my back.
Well, you're not that heavy.
I'm not gonna be going in. Well, I'll go sideways.
Well, look, you don't have to go in there. Here, hand me the nuts.
oh
I'll
yeah,
just
we can
reach
go
through.
from above. That's right.
What the hell are you doing? Oh God,
Okay,
I gotta.
we need a little tray here.
No, we got it. Just start putting them in.
All right. Yeah, that's right.
That one's done. Come on, bitch. Bastard.
Oh. Let me get this one.
They tighten up pretty good, actually.
Mm-hmm.